When I was 12 years old, I went through a very, very difficult time. Basically, my family went through a financial crisis and we lost everything. I had to move across town into a very small apartment after having lived in a really nice, large house. Had to switch schools, and the school I ended up going to, it was very difficult for me to fit in. I had been a dancer, not in a studio or anything, just it was what I did. I would go home after school and I would dance in my big living room, listening to the stereo and listening to tapes and records. And I loved experiencing music with my body. But after we moved, there was no longer any space for me to dance. And this was very difficult for me. I discovered singing shortly after that. And I realized I had an opportunity to experience music again through my body by singing. And what excited me so much about it was that it was something I could do anywhere. I didn't need any special equipment either. I could just open up my mouth and sing. And it was very exciting. But I was smart enough to know that I didn't have enough natural talent. My pitch was really bad. My timing could be better. And I desperately longed for private voice lessons. But unfortunately, my family could not afford it. Thanks to the charity of some wonderful people at my church, as well as one of my teachers at my school, I was able to get enough practice in order to earn a spot at an elite music program high school in my county. So by the time I got to high school, I was able to attend a pretty good music program. However, it still was not what private lessons would have given me. I know that because I eventually was able to take private lessons when I was 17 years old and I had my own income from working. So I was able to pay for private lessons. And it made a huge difference. And I remember thinking to myself, man, if I could have had these lessons when I was 13, 14, 15, imagine how good I would be today. So I tell you all of that to let you know that I understand that one-on-one coaching is not accessible for everybody. And that can be very frustrating because there are so many people who long to use their voices in a way that lets them release all the emotions that they have in their bodies. And yeah, you can get by pretty nicely without instructions. But if you can take lessons, you learn all these amazing techniques that free up your voice, that allow more sound to come out. They allow you to the information allows you to access parts of your range you didn't even know you had. You learn how to power up your diaphragm and your core muscles, and you learn how to breathe differently so that you can have a stronger, more powerful voice. You learn about stage presence. You get to practice being in front of an audience. Voice lessons are incredibly valuable, and there's a reason why they're so expensive because they're so valuable. So I decided that as soon as the opportunity presented itself, I would start a membership community. When I launched my YouTube channel about 4 weeks ago, and I saw my second video going viral, and then I saw the next week my numbers climbing very quickly, I knew that this was the moment. And so now that I am at 14,000 subscribers, can you believe that in 4 weeks? I now know that this is the moment for me to create that membership community that I've always wanted to have. And so I am launching on the day after Thanksgiving. That's November 28th. The doors will be open to sign up. And I'm going to have 3 different membership tiers. Everybody will have access to live practice sessions and workshops where you will learn the same techniques I teach my private students. We're also going to have master classes where students who are willing will get in front of everybody and allow me to give them one-on-one guidance and instruction based on what's going on with their voices, very much like what we would do in a private lesson, but in a group setting. We'll even have once a month courage circles where you are encouraged to perform a song or tell a story or recite a poem, something to get you using your voice in front of everybody so that you can get comfortable, start to feel more confident being in front of people with your voice. This is the kind of thing I wish I had had when I was a teenager. This is the kind of thing I wish I had had in my 20s and my 30s when I couldn't afford private lessons then. So, not that this has everything to do with money, because believe me, even if you can afford private lessons, and you should do it if you can, but even if you can, you should still consider doing a membership program with me, because the group involvement is so valuable. To have people alongside you cheering you on and to see other people as they're progressing, it's very inspiring. I was fortunate enough to go to a school that had a vocal program. And so I learned so much from just watching my peers progress, watching them audition, get into important roles, get solos. And it was so valuable. So even if one-on-one coaching is available to you, I encourage you to sign up for the membership program. So I'm in the process of building this site, which is daunting for me, but I am determined. And no matter what, we are going to open up the doors on November 28th. I will have a special founding members discount for anybody who signs up on that day. And that price will last you your lifetime. After that, I will start the live events calendar in December. So we'll start signing up people on November 28th, and then we'll immediately start the practice sessions and the workshops in December. So I'm super excited about this. I hope you are too. If this is something that you want to do, go to the link in the description to sign up to be on the wait list. That way you are sure to get all of the information as it's happening. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, seeing all of your comments, and it's awesome starting to recognize some of your names, your handles, to see that you keep coming back to the videos and commenting. Thank you, because this is something I've wanted to do for many, many years. And it's only because of your support on this channel that I feel that now is the time to do it. So I hope you'll join me in this membership community that's opening up on November 28th. Don't forget to sign up for the waitlist in the link below. And there's also that free guide is still available. That's going to be up there for a very, very long time, I'm sure. And let me know in the comments what you think about all this, if you're excited for it. And remember to keep going and keep singing, keep practicing, keep freeing up your voice, because the world needs your unique voice. I'll see you soon.